I want to share this channel with you today. Video on this channel. The highest number of views reached 9 million views, and he didn't appear in any of the videos himself, which means you don't need a real person on camera. I didn't make my own video. You can earn advertising revenue through YouTube. That's up to $20,000 a month in advertising revenue. That's $250,000 in passive income a year. The channel gets nearly 200,000 views per day, hence his daily advertising revenue. It can be more than $800. The highest can go up to $1,000 in advertising revenue. So how does he make videos without needing to do it himself? Don't know how to write good copy. I have no good English writing foundation. How to create intelligent software through Chat and AI. Video can be generated with one click. Artificial intelligence can help you, earning tens of thousands of dollars a month in advertising revenue on YouTube. If you are interested in today's topic, then come with me. I'll share it with you step by step. How to create a similar video. Easily generate passive revenue from YouTube ads. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my latest share. Let's analyze this channel first. He created video content. Why is it able to attract such a high number of plays? In fact, his main topic is about some real facts in the world. You know, the stuff of secrecy. So for this topic, will arouse people's curiosity and attraction. You can attract a lot of people to watch this video. Like this video. Is he uncovering how to identify real diamonds? This video is about a stool that we usually watch. Why is there a hole in it? A lot of people want to know the truth. His video alone has 3 million views. And this video he has over 2 million views. He said if he ate these silicone bags on his shoes, what kind of damage will it cause to the human body? So for these topics, a lot of people are very curious, and the topic is very novel. We can open this video. Notice the video above. You don't have to show your face, and these materials can be found through a number of material sites on the internet. Today I will share with you. These videos can be created with one click, and you don't need to go on the internet to search the major websites. Find these materials, and then spell it like you do to have an 11-minute video, like this one about how to tell a real diamond. Let's copy this title. Such a title goes on to make a video. You can come to my home channel. The home page has a smart toolbox. We click on this smart toolbox. Chat can be found above. There is a chat website below the toolbox. We can click to open the official website. Come and visit. So you don't have to remember the URL of his website. So provide you with very convenient access to these smart tools of the website. You don't have to remember them yourself. If you think it works, you can also share it with more friends. No such a website. Such a tool to help everyone. We came to Chat. Can put just what you need to write about the topic. Copy and paste it here. I will follow this subject with a sentence. You have to write 3,000 words, and the requirements are more professional and specific content, because I used it on YouTube videos. So I sent a command to Chat. It gives me some advice, and write such a manuscript copy. If you are not satisfied with the content of this document, you can also edit the copy content. Tell you what methods he used to authenticate the diamonds. So I can pick this from here, and then copy this content. Once you've copied it, copy this down. We come to the AI toolbox. Can be found. This is an AI-generated video site that allows you to generate videos with one click. You can click to open it. Once the website is registered, we can log in, and what we need to choose is, the first is to turn our manuscript into a video, and then I'm gonna choose and paste all of what we just did here, and copy that title. 2. That's where the title goes. Then it's just a click away. I can generate this video. Then we need to choose a template. He provides a lot of templates here. Let's go sift. Choose according to the style of your own video. I prefer this style. Then select 16:9, which is landscape. We just have to wait for him to generate this video. He'll follow our copy to search for relevant videos. According to the content of the copy, he'll be able to match the relevant videos. We wouldn't have to go everywhere. Look everywhere for this footage. It saved us a lot of creative time. You can see he's already helping us sift through these videos. and you can see it. All of his materials are appropriate for the content of our manuscript screen. Let's say we're not happy with this video. So how to replace? We see a library on the left. Let's click open. Let him follow your own needs. If you want, choose a good opening video. Then you can choose to change the different type here. If you want to replace this, I'll just click. It can be replaced. Let's say I want to change this video. I just click and it's easy. I can replace it with a video that starts like this. If I wanted to find out more about these videos of diamonds, all I have to do is search for diamonds. You can find many of them below. These videos about diamond material, and we can still adjust the words on this subtitle. You can choose different text fonts to change. Different text fonts, and it applies to everything. If you want all the videos to play, they all use the same specifications. Text captions template. Then all we have to do is hit apply all. And then because of this video, it's spoken and we can come to this by reading it aloud. These sounds are very troublesome if we read them by ourselves, and it'll take up a lot of your time. We can use smart tools through this website, a function of intelligent reading, and you can come and see how it works. Click play to see how it works. According to different age stages. Some are young and some are old. Choose according to your needs. You can choose a man or a woman. All can be chosen here. For example, I chose the first one. This is a template for reading aloud. At this time, we also need apply this pronunciation to all the videos. We just need to click the button of this gear. You will find we still need to open this gear. Can see? We're gonna click. Take those sounds and apply them to all the videos. So we need to put a check mark here. Your background music can also be applied to everything. So that's a check mark. 2. Your background music can be selected through this option. To select different types of background music, if you need to change any of the background music, we just need to click this button, apply to all, apply it to this video, and then on, and put a check mark on the background music. If some friends don't like this subtitle, we can click to remove this subtitle. Remove this subtitle, then click apply to all. Make your entire video without this subtitle. Although everyone's style is different, just set it to your liking. Once we've created the whole video, we can click the button above. Download this video. You can see here is the download, and found that we can see that there is a video download button. Just click and download this video. Just wait for him to generate this video. Download down. We can go to the channel. Use it with a button on it to upload videos. We click this button. Use it to select a video to upload, and we can notice it. The key is how to make an attractive video cover image. We observed that it was doing some comparison of these cover images. It's much easier to get viewers to click on your video, so you can imitate him. Make a video like this. Make this cover image. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.